O, relax ka lang ha. Wala naman akong babaguhin ko, no? Pakita mo lang sa akin lahat ng natutunan. Hindi ako maghahanap ng smooth landing ha. Ang hahanapin ko sa'yo, safe. Pag nakita ko safe landing ka at may consistency ka, makakapasa ka. Okay? So, relax lang ha. Enjoy mo lang.
Opo.
Okay. Sige. Normal take off.
Fly brakes, fly 2000 RPM. Function gauge on green, all instruments all on green. Runway is clear, fly full power. Release brakes is on the floor. Maintain runway center line. 55, rotate. Positive climb, stop brakes. RBC 3546, airborne, runway 14 EVA. 3522, right base, runway 14 EVA. Hold. There, hold there.
Okay, flaps 1.
Flaps 1, full power.
Right rudder konti.
Up. Pataas. Okay lang. Other konti.
8816, what's up? 8000.
Hold. There, hold.
Bababa din yan.
Reference to Eastern 91, east of Candaria, 5070.
Hold.
Followed by,
Thinking. There, hold.
Konti lang yung flare. Sumasobra hit.
Opo.
O sige, itong approach na to gugulo, sasadyain kong guluhin ka sa approach. Kunwari hangin yun.
Opo.
Ibalik mo sa center line as much as possible, okay? Or as close as possible.
Yes po.
Traffic driver, PC 1
Power gradually.
We're utilizing 3,500.
Double your effort on following the center line. Lagi ka talagang nasa left eh.
Dini, 5,500 destination. And by airport.
Sana na ipapalik mo naman. Pero sige. Ang sa dulo.
Hold.
Okay, sige. Pahintuin mo ng maayos. Apak release. Sige. Pag mabagal na, tsaka mo pwedeng diinan.
Opo, Cap.
Oh, yan. Okay, good.
RPC 3522 on
Okay.
Upward,
High control.
Air controls, Cap.
Will enter active
Ganun, ha?
Opo, Cap.
Final piece.
Pahinga mo muna yung kamay mo saglit. Okay, good luck ha. Kaya mo yan.
Thank you po, Cap.
Mga kabahan.
Opo, Cap.
Iba traffic 3546 will be releasing student for first solo flight. All traffic in the pattern, please extend assistance.
So, Cap.
Okay. Focus sa goal, galing mo.
EVA advisory RPC 3546 at AAA ramp will taxi to Cap ramp. EVA advisory RPC 3546 at Cap ramp will taxi to North holding point for departure. For takeoff checklist, takeoff briefing complete. Ignition switch mode, the master switch on check, avionics power switch on check, circuit breakers all in check, exterior lights all on check. Elevator trim set for takeoff. Visual check. Check. Beam flaps as required will be 1. Avionics transponder set to alt check. Mixture reach check. Fuel selector valve mode check. Fuel shut-off valve on. Before takeoff checklist complete. RBC 3546 at Port Cap holding point will enter the active runway 14. Proper departure. Any traffic lane down in base or final, please acknowledge. Negative traffic received, RBC 3546 will enter the active runway 14 for departure. Right, center, left. Okay, ito na. Okay. Sado bintana. High brakes, fly 2000 RPM. Function gauge on green, all instruments all on green, runway is clear, apply full power. Release brakes, is on the floor. Maintain runway center line. RBC 3546, rolling runway 14 EVA.
Traffic advisory
Airspeed is alive.
63 na, over San Marcelino, maintaining.
Airspeed 40, 45, 50, 55, rotate. Positive climb, top brakes. RBC 3546, airborne runway 14 EVA. 400 feet, landing lights off, flaps up. H1 credit for takeoff. Sabi yung right, quattro, side, center, left, clear, commencing turn. Approaching 700 feet, level off, reduce power, 2000 RPM. RPC 3546, landing crossing, runway 14, EVA, 4 full stop. Abim road, right, center, left, clear, commencing turn. RPC 3546, landing downwind, runway 14, EVA, 4 full stop. Okay, makakakin na ng kukonti. Pero kaya. Abim, move green roof, right, center, left, clear. This power 1800, commencing turn. RBC 3546, turning base, runway 14, EVA, 4 full stop. Okay. Level up, flaps 2. Power setting. Antenna, right, center, left, clear, reduce power to 1600, commencing turn. RBC 3546, turning final, runway 14, EVA, 4 full stop.
Traffic advisory RTC 3595 over
Airspeed runway, airspeed runway, airspeed
and we'll be
runway.
flying, making a spiraling
Okay.
flying of 6,500 over Castellover.
Level up, flaps 3. Check 3. Aim power setting. Aim for runway. Okay.
3522 turning base, runway 14, EVA.
Hold. 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 Landed. RBC 3546 landed. Vacating south holding point. Thank you.
Congrats!
Thank you.